Good morning, everyone. This is meteorologist Nathan with your morning weather update. We have another active day in stores. We have a couple areas of interest across the country. We're currently watching a low pressure system that is moving through the northeast, where we are seeing some snowfall up in areas of Maine, as well as freezing rain and rain throughout areas of New England. We also have another area of low pressure that's moving through the Mississippi Valley today that we are going to see the potential for showers and thunderstorms, with some of these thunderstorms being severe today. And then lastly, we have another area of low pressure that is moving through the Rocky Mountains at the moment. We are going to see the potential for snowfall for areas of Utah and Colorado today as well. Now, starting with our first area of interest, the low pressure system that's beginning to move through the northeast and New England region, we are going to continue today to see the potential for snowfall, some freezing rain, and rainfall throughout the day as that system begins to push its way east and off the coast. Now, moving over to our second area of interest, we have that low pressure system that moved through the Central Plains yesterday that produced all that severe weather throughout areas of Oklahoma and Texas. Now, with that system, we are continuing to monitor it for the severe weather potential today. As it will continue to push east, we will see the warm front, which actually, let me pull this up here real quick for you. We can actually make it out right about here. That's going to continue to push to the north, so we'll see some showers and the potential for some thunderstorms throughout areas of the southern Great Lakes today. We can also make out the cold front. Actually, I'll go ahead and draw this for you as it stretches down into areas of Texas. That's going to continue to push to the east today, and we will see more thunderstorm development along that cold front later on in the day with, again, that potential for severe weather. Now, as far as severe weather, we do mean that there is the potential for 1-inch hail, winds greater than 58 miles per hour, or the potential for a tornado as well. And now our last area of interest, which is that low pressure system that's currently sitting over southern Nevada at the moment. That's going to continue to push its way through the Rocky Mountains. We will see the potential for snowfall throughout areas of Utah and Colorado today as that system continues to move to the east. Now, the snowfall associated with that system, it's going to remain predominantly in the higher elevations of this region, but there is still the potential for those higher elevations to see higher snowfall totals today. And as that system continues to push to the east, it will eventually work its way back out into the southern plains. And once again, we will see that potential for severe weather tomorrow as well. So let's now go ahead and take a look at the future radar for today. Now, as I had mentioned with those three systems, we'll start off with the New England system. That's going to continue to push off the coast. So later on today, we will see that move off and the potential for rain showers, snow, and freezing rain diminish throughout the day. Now, with that low pressure system over the Mississippi Valley, as I had mentioned, that will continue to move to the northeast today. We will see some more development along that warm front and that cold front as the day progresses with that severe weather potential. And then lastly, we have that system that is moving to the Rockies, and we will continue to see the potential for snowfall at those higher elevations today as it progresses. So switching gears and taking a look at high temperatures for today, we are going to see a spread of temperatures across much of the country. We'll start off in the northeast, where we are going to see temperatures predominantly in the 30s and 40s in areas of the New England region, while areas of the Great Lakes will see temperatures in the 50s and 60s predominantly. Now, working our way into the southeast, we will see temperatures just south of that warm front and just ahead of that cold front being the 70s and 80s predominantly today. Working our way out to the plain states, northern plains will predominantly remain in the 40s and 50s, while areas of the southern plains will reach into the 60s and 70s, and we will continue to see that area of warmer temperatures along the eastern slopes of the Rocky Mountains. They'll reach into areas of the 50s and 60s today. Now, working our way out to the west coast, we will see areas of the Pacific Northwest. They'll predominantly be in the 40s and 50s with a couple areas of the upper elevations. Those will be in the 30s predominantly. And then working our way into the southwest, we will see areas of the southwest reach in the 60s and 70s today, with areas of the higher elevations of Nevada and Utah remaining in the 40s and 50s today. Thank you for watching, and have a great Monday.